Mapping. The art of representing the data.
Now let's go to start with the map composition. Then go to project and here select new print layout. The name is going to be map. You can put any name and OK. And now with a right click on your mouse, you can select the page properties. Then in this case, we are going to use an A3 and we want this orientation. Now we can bring the map with this option over here. Select an area that is going to be approximately this area. And then select the scale. In this case, it's going to be 10 millions. Then with this option over here, we can move the content inside the map. Just to put the map at the middle. In this composition, I'm going to create from 4 different maps. One is going to be the state of California with the counties. The other one is going to be the graduated map showing the location of the stations. The other map is going to be the Kriging prediction. And the last one is going to be the Kriging variance, the error associated with the estimation. Now we can save the project, and for example, if we close these windows and we want to open again the map composition, just go to projects, select layout manager, and then double click on the map, and you are going to recover the map again. What I'm going to do is copy this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to duplicate. And that one is going to be over here, and what I can see, it's pretty big. I'm going to make the map smaller a little bit. Then I'm going to move this one something like that. Again, 10 millions here for the scale, and put the map at the middle. Right there. Then duplicate this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That one looks like better. Then this one is going to be map 2. Then we can edit this one here. Then I'm going to duplicate this one again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. In number 3. And duplicate this one again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and put this one approximately over here, and this one is going to be number 4. Okay. Then save, and we are going to work first with the number 1. Then minimize this window, and I'm going to close this one here, and then put in these windows what you want to see in the first map, okay? Then in the first map, what I want to see is the perimeter. I don't want to see this one. I don't want to see this one. I don't want to see this one. I want to see just the state of California, and also I want to see the counties. Then I'm going to see just the state of California, and also I want to see the counties. Then I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to change the color to see something more clear. That could be white color, for example. And also this one a little bit thicker, for 0.4, for example. And we can change the type of line also for dash. Apply and OK. And also we want that one to be transparent, right? Properties, this one transparent, but the line we want with a white color. Apply and OK. And now we can go to the print layout composition again and refresh. And that one is going to be our first map. Then we can select this one, and then we have to lock the layer. To do that one, just click here, and also click here and here. Now this map is locked. For the next one is going to be the location of the stations, right? Then what I want to see is, I don't want to see the counties, I want to see the stations and the perimeter for the state of California. That one is good. Then we can go here to the map composition and refresh. Now this one is not going to change because we lock the layer over here and lock here and here, okay? That allows us not to make any change over here. Now we are working on map 2 is this one, then refresh. And then we have the graduated showing the stations, okay? For the next one is going to be the Kriging interpolation. Then let's go to lock this layer. And now we're going to work on map number 3. Minimize this one. And what we want to see over here is the Kriging prediction. And that's it. Then we can go here and refresh the map. And now we have the Kriging. Just to let you know, if you want to have a full coverage of the state of California, you can go to the data set and add more points over here and over here to have full coverage of all the area. What happened at the beginning when we was taking the data from the Environmental Protection Agency, we took just the data with the state of California. But if you take more data over here and also over here, you are going to have full coverage of all the state, okay? Then we can go here, lock this layer, lock this layer, and lock this layer, save. And now we are going to work on the Kriging variants. First, let's go to edit the variants. Is this one over here? No. This one? Yeah, this one. That's the one we save. Then we can remove this one. Okay, and properties. Let's go to change the color, something like that, with 5 intervals. It's pretty dark over here. Maybe we can change for this one, apply. That one looks better. And let's go to change the type of legend, because here we have continuous. Apply and okay. Something like that is good. Then we can add this map now. Go to the composition and that's it. Then for the first map, first let's go to lock this one, the number 4, also this one and this one. And now let's go to work with map 1 again. Let me make this one bigger. For this map, what I'm going to do now is add the grid with the coordinates. Then go to layout. Sorry, I can't anything here. Now it's good. And we want to add a grid. Then add a grid. You can put any name. I'm going to leave this name. Then select the grid and press the option modify. Then here is good, good, good. Here is going to be 250,000 for X and also for Y. That's the grid, as you can see. Now let's go to change the type of line. Then go to configure symbology. And here in line, we want to select something different, no solid. It's going to be with dots, something like that. And we can make something thicker here, 0.4 for example. That's good. Then go back. Here at the frame style, we are going to add interior and exterior ticks. Then go down and we are going to select here draw coordinates. And we are going to change the orientation of the coordinates. It's going to be vertical descending. And also here vertical descending. Also, we don't want any decimal here. And here, sorry, here in format, I'm going to put decimal with suffix. Now we can see north and east. And also vertical ascending, I like more. Vertical ascending, I like more. Let me change the other one, vertical ascending. This one is better. And also here, I would like to change the distance. Here, I'm going to add number 2. Like this is good. Now I'm going to start to work on the legend. Then I'm going to select this option here, add a legend. Select an area on the map. And let's go to see what we want to put and what not. For example, we don't want this one, then we can take this option and remove this one. There are a lot of things that we don't want here. We don't want this one also. Remove. Remove. I'm going to take also this one here. Remove. This one, remove. And these ones are okay, I believe. But I'm going to change the names, okay? For this one, it's going to be State of California. Then also I'm going to change the other names. Here the variance is going to be Kriging variance map. That's good. Then the next one, data set, I'm going to change the name also for this one. And it's going to be graduated data set map. Okay, and for the last one is going to be this one for the predictions. I'm going to remove this one. For this one is going to be ordinary Kriging prediction map. Ordinary Kriging prediction map is good. I'm not sure why I cannot remove this one here. Okay, if I remove over here, let me see. Cancel. I don't know why I cannot remove this one. Let me see, maybe if I change the name. Rename Kriging prediction. Well, at the end I discovered that we have to remove from here, right? Just select this one, remove, and also the other one. Ordinary prediction is good. Then we are going to put the same order. at the maps. Then first is going to be the state of California. The second one is going to be the graduated dataset map. Then that one goes here. Then comes the Kriging, ordinary Kriging prediction map over here. And the last one is going to be for the variance. Let me make some zoom here. This one has to be over here. Let's go to change the background, the color of the background. Then background over here, I'm going to change for a different color. A soft gray could be good. Let me change this one. Maybe something like that is good. Maybe something like that is good. Then also I want to change the format here. Maybe this subgroup, this one in bold. Okay. And that's it. Now let me move these maps a little bit up. The number 3. I cannot move. Let me check this one. Over here. Lock, and also the number 4. This one. A little bit up. Over here. Right there. Then the legend a little bit up here. Okay, like this one is good. Now I'm going to bring the legend for these values over here. Then what I'm going to add is a picture. Then this option here, select the area. It's going to be from here, something like that, over here. Approximately, then we can modify that one. Then it's going to be a raster image. Then we are going to select that one in this folder, and is, well, I'm not sure. Let me check here. Cannot see the image. Air quality index. This one over here. Open. And that's it. Then we can move this one a little bit, and this one a little bit, and we can add a frame here. Also, I would like to add a frame over here. Then let me see here, frame, select black color, and 0.3 is good. This one bigger, a little bit less over here. A little bit less. Now also we can add a frame here, and that's okay. Now we are going to make the box. Then select rectangle, this one, and we are going to do from here to here. That one is good, and we want this one as rectangle, style number 3, 0.3 is good. Then we are going to do different boxes here. Then this one, rectangle, here we are going to do a couple of boxes. This one, it's good to make sure that one is good. Also here. And let's go to duplicate this one. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. That one is too thick, right? Let's go to make this one a little bit thicker. something like that. This one a little bit thicker, something like that. Control C, Control V, and Control C, Control V. Okay, this one is good, I believe. First, let me see if I bring the logo here with the picture. Then go here to raster, image, is this one, open. Yeah, I believe we can make this one smaller. Something like that is good. Then duplicate this one over here, Control C, Control V. Put here. Put here. Is good. Then let's go to make this one bigger. And let's go to add the title for this project. Then text. Put the text over here. Then the name is going to be Ordinary Kriging Map Predictions Air Quality Index August 6, 2021. Then we can select font, put in bold, bigger letters, apply. And we want to put this one at the center. But let's go to cut this one. Cut. Cut and paste. Just to make sure that we are putting on the top. Okay. Then let's go to move this one again here. Here is good. This corner is good. Then this one is going to be over here. It's too big. Then we are going to make this one smaller. Perfect. Then we can add the next logo. That is going to be the flag of California state. Then add an image over. It's going to be this area. Raster image. And is this one. Open. I cannot see anything. Okay. Control Z. Control Z. Okay, I'm going to add the picture over here. Raster image. This one open. And I'm going to cut and paste. You can move also over here, right? It's up to you. Then I'm going to put here and I'm going to make this image bigger. Image bigger. And put here at the center. Even we can make this one bigger. To have a bigger picture here. That's good. And now we can copy this one. I mean the square. And put over here. is good. And here we are going to add the scale. Mark an area. Here is going to be a scale. Put this one on the top. Is the text we scale this one. Then we want to move that one to the top. Two points here. And put here inside the box. And then we can add this one over here. And for this one, we want 5 intervals. And we want also the letter to be smaller. Position size, no. Display. Font. Size. This one is good. And also we want here 2 boxes. Single box, double box, like this. Then we are going to move this one here, but we have to make this one bigger. I'm going to add now because maybe later I'm going to forget. Select an area, is going to be over here. I'm going to add just in one map. Let me select, because there are different options. This one, for example. If I put this one black, is better or not? Yeah, something like that is good. Then here I'm going to add an extra box. Control C, Control V. I'm going to add an extra box. Control C, Control V. Put here at the corner. This one here, and this box is going to be for the coordinates. Then I'm going to add here coordinate reference system, and it's going to be the code is going to be the 32610, and the datum is going to be WGS 84 UTM zone 10 north and projected. Going to add this information, but I'm going to pass the video faster. Font, bold, and it's going to be bigger. Maybe 11, okay. It's too big. 10 is good. And let's go to move this one over here. And now I'm going to add some boxes here at the bottom to indicate who drew the map, who was the technical, the approver, the project number, the date, and the figure number. Then, but I'm going to pass the video faster, okay? I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different boxes here at the bottom. That's it. I added all the information. The way the box can be done could be a lot of different ways, right? I decided to do like that, but it depends on each one, right? Everyone is doing a different way. And in this one, I want to show this information, and that's the reason because I created that one like that. Then the last thing I'm going to do, also here, we want to remove this one. And now maybe we can move this one to the bottom a little bit. The last thing I would like to do is to add labels for each map. Then to do that one, I'm going to create a square, a white square with these dimensions, for example. I'm going to add here a frame, square with these dimensions, for example. I'm going to add here a frame. Is good. And inside this one, I'm going to add, maybe we can make something thicker to have more visible 5. And inside I'm going to add the name of the map, right? Then with a text. In this case, it's going to be California State. Going to make the letters bigger, for example 12 with a bold. Okay, I'm going to put this one at the center. You can select, even if you adjust this one here, you can select this one, shift also the other one, and then go here and align to the center. Also align to the vertical center, like that is good. Then we can copy this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and bring this one to this map over here. Put at the center and go a little bit down, like here, just to be the same as this one. Then in this case, that one is going to be the graduated data set. Sorry, that one has to be together. Data set map. Okay, the problem is this one. I made this one bigger, and also this one bigger over here, and this one bigger over here. Select both the letters and this and the box with the shift. Then go here, align to the center, and also align center vertical. Then paste and select all, move to this one to the bottom, put at the center. Like here. This one is going to be ordinary Kriging. Ordinary Kriging presence map. Let's see if it fits inside the square because it's too long. It doesn't fit. We have to make this one bigger. Move this one over here. A little bit bigger, this one has to be. That's good. Select this one, make this one smaller. And select then the letters and also the square with shift, and let's go to align. Then align to the center and also this one, and that's it. And now let's go to make the last one, paste, last one, paste. Let's go to move over here, and in this case is going to be the Kriging variance map. Select Kriging variance map. Let's go to make this one bigger, this one bigger. Select both, this one, and let's go to align. And that's it. Now we can export the map as an image. To do that one, just go here, close, map is good, save. And double click, just one click, double click here. And that's the final map. As you can see, this map has very high resolution. Here we have the state of California with the counties. Here we have the graduated map with the data set, that is the location of the stations. Here we have the ordinary Kriging interpolation. And here we have the Kriging variance, you know. As farther we are from the data set, you know, the data set is the docs, is these red things here. Higher is going to be the error of the prediction, right? That's the variance is telling us. Then when we have the variance is telling us. Then when we have data set, you know, where we have data, the error is going to be the minimum, right? As you can see over here. And when we are farther from where we have data, the error is going to be bigger for the prediction. That's what the variance map is saying, right? And that's it. You see the box, the legend, both of them. I believe it's a pretty good map with a lot of information and very professional, and that's the goal, right? Here we have the north and the grid. We don't have to add the north and the grid to all the maps because with one we know already is going to be redundant, right? To repeat the information. Then this